Alright guys, so I'm actually going to be attempting to make iced coffee. I had it yesterday and I'm literally obsessed. So I've got no syrup, I've just got honey, which I'm going to get. But I've got coffee, this tiny little glass, which I just love. And then I'm going to be using oatly milk as well. I locked you in. I'm making a nice coffee, Mum. I'm going to try and get some little syrups, but I've got my coffee, got my little glass, and I've got my oatly oat milk, the barista edition. It's like the best milk you can get. Love it. And it's barista edition, which means I'm officially a barista. I am. Not the sugar. Wait, do I need sugar? No, I'm going to get honey. Oh my god, we've got honey. Happy days. Why have we got 3 different honeys? How many honeys do we have? Wait, is this syrup? Oh my god. Maple syrup. Oh my god. Thank you. So I've just found maple syrup. Hopefully this is going to turn out semi-decent. Hopefully. We pray. Is that enough? Alright, so I've just gone and added some ice to my cup. I've lost a nail along the way because all the ice is stuck together, but I'm now going to add some of my oat milk into the ice, and I've just quickly poured in my hot water into the coffee, pour it in after the milk. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now, pour in the oat milk into the ice, and then we can actually pour the coffee in, and hopefully we're kind of there. I think it's that easy. Woo! Gonna make some coffee with me? Some coffee? Hi! No, she's not actually bothered. Okay. So I've actually finished doing my iced coffee. This is obviously my first attempt, so it might not even be that good, but I've just added the maple syrup, and I think that is going to make it taste amazing. I was going to put sugar in it, but I think the sugar that was like, it basically, I was trying to follow like a TikTok, and it was telling me to add like 2 big spoonfuls of sugar, and I really didn't want to do that. So I ended up using maple syrup because it's a bit better than, 2 massive sugar spoons. So yeah, I've got it here. I've got it in a little mug. I've just added my ice and coffee. My ice is already melting, but I'm actually kind of excited to try this. I need more coffee in it. Let me get some coffee. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more. This is enough. Coffee. God, I'm so happy. I definitely think adding more coffee was the best decision, because when I first did it, I actually didn't put enough coffee in because of the size of the cup, and also I'm not a fan of strong coffee, so I was like, I wasn't too sure how much to put in, but now I've added a bit more in. It actually tastes freaking amazing. I think I'm addicted. And here we have it, my first ever iced coffee. I'm so happy. And also it kind of looks cool with the coffee on top. That's what I did to add a bit more coffee strength, but actually it looks pretty cool. And like, there we have it. That is my first iced coffee, and I'm sure, like, hello, hi. Honestly obsessed with this set from Lounge. It's like a halter neck crossback top with some high-waisted pants, and oh my god, it is so comfy. I've spent all day in it and I've been working in it, but yeah, that is like my outfit of outfit of the day. I mean, this is really keeping it real, isn't it? No makeup, looking like this all day. Yeah, honestly. Quickly looked up the set that I'm wearing. I ended up getting it in black, grey and white in the sale, and oh my god, I'm so excited because it's high-waisted. Absolutely love it. Blanche doesn't know that I'm speaking about this. This isn't an ad or anything like that. I just wanted to speak about it because I love it and I bought it in the sale. I'm obsessed with it. It's called the Basic, I think. It's called the one that I'm wearing right now is called the Black Basic Bralette and Briefs, but it's very, like, I don't know, I just absolutely love it. It doesn't feel like underwear, it's more loungewear, which I absolutely love. But yeah, today I've just been chilling in this. I did half my makeup because I had a bit of a breakout in July. But yeah, I thought I would give you an outfit of the day, even though it's not. So last week I ended up doing a cheeky little Opoly order. This is my first time ordering from Opoly, but they have released a lot of the teddy bear sets, and I wanted to get quite a few for autumn and winter, just because I've never been able to get the cycling shorts like sets, because they're the only ones that I could wear, and I'm dying to get a teddy bear set. So I got quite a few colours. I've got yellow, I've got a cream, a white, and then I've got a lilac. I don't know if I'm going to keep everything. I mean, if I don't like everything, I'm going to take some of it back. But I ordered a few sets just because I thought it was great for lounging around in the house. I'm hoping they fit me. I've got another box here that is... they put things in 2 boxes. She says that she can't open it. So this is like the other one that I've got. It's called the white. It's the white crop top, I think. I'm not too sure. It could be cycling shorts. Yellow. I've got a green one. They look amazing, and I wanted to like not wear basic colours all the time. When they bring out a black, I'll get the black, but for now I'm gonna like try these, see if I like them. But yeah, I'm actually gonna go through this, hopefully try a set on, and if I like it, I'm definitely gonna keep them because I think they're really good for autumn and winter, especially in like October, like September, October time, when it's chilly but not too cold. If you get me, like it's warm enough for cycling shorts and boots, but also not too cold to wear like big fluffy jackets and stuff. So I think this would be so cute. I'm buzzing. Like, this is gonna be so cute. Alright, so this is like a bit of a flat lay of the cycling shorts. These are basically all the sets that I've got anyway. All of them look like this, but this is the white, I think it is, or the cream. I think it's the white, and oh my god, the quality is absolutely insane. I love how it goes a bit more cuffed at the bottom, which is better because it won't look too big on me. I'm hoping the length will actually be fine, and even if they're a bit longer on me, I don't mind because I feel like I can make it work. But oh my god, I absolutely love them. And even just for like chilling in, or when I'm going to London, or when I've been on a shoot and I want to throw something really comfy on the train back to home from London, this is like a perfect little outfit because I don't really have many comfy outfits to come home in, and I feel like this is a cute ass set. I'm going to try it on, hopefully it'll fit, but I just wanted to show you, like, the waistband is so stretchy, and it just looks amazing quality. The reason I got Opoly was because I heard a lot of people say that the quality is amazing. Also, as well, the sizing, it's more on the smaller size, so like that's perfect for me because if things are smaller, it means they're more likely to fit me. So I'm going to try it on and see if I like it, and yeah, I'll give you a little bit of an update. Alright, so this is the set. I've basically tucked it underneath because it's just like not very, I don't know, it's lovely, like I really like it, but it's just a little bit too big. I have tucked it underneath, and then these are like the bottoms of it, and you know what, I do actually really like it. I think I am going to keep it. They are a little bit bigger, so like obviously it's very nice on like my bum and my thighs, like it is so thick, and that's how much material, like I've doubled it underneath, so it's going to keep me warm. I am going to keep it. I do really like it. I probably will try and tie it at the back just so it goes a bit tighter on me because currently it's quite big, and I don't want it to be too big on my body. It kind of needs to be a bit like that. See, like where it's just fitted to my shape a little bit. It's not currently, but I'm going to keep it and see what I can do with it because I do really like it. And if they did do this in an extra small, I would have got it, but it was only in an XS. So yeah, that is my Poly try on haul. I'm not going to try it all on because they're all the same, but just in different colours. But this is my favourite set, and I think this with chunky boots in winter with a big coat, oh my god, honestly, like a vibe. I absolutely love it. Alright, so this is my brow transformation. I basically laminated them and then I tinted them. They are quite dark and I'm not really used to them being this dark for some reason. Like, I just don't really, I don't know. Like, I know you guys went mad because they were too light and too natural, but this is them just tinted without any like brow pencil or brow powder. I've not even filled them in. All I've done is just brush them up and then used my got to be glued brow gel, which is this. So I just used a bit of this on a spoolie. Let me try and grab it. And I basically just brushed them up and then neaten the sides, but I've cut a lot of them down. Like, the reason they were quite thick was because when I was gluing them down with my brow gel, the hairs were like ending up here because they needed a trim. And obviously with lockdown, I couldn't get my brows done. And obviously even now there's nowhere I can go to get them done. So I have booked in to see Meg again in September. They're definitely a lot thinner than they were originally, so I hope like this is much better because I actually can't do much with my brows with it being like lockdown and stuff, but this is the best I've done at home and I think they're not that bad. Like, they do seem a bit darker in camera, but they do match my hair, and yeah, that is my brow transformation. I hope they look better than they did before. To be fair, like, even I wasn't too happy with my brows, but it was just what I could do in lockdown, and not many places are open near me, and I don't even have brow bars where I live. Like, the local, like, my nearest one is about 20 minutes away, like 20 minutes to half an hour away. So yeah, these are my brows and I'm actually really happy with them considering I did them at home. I laminated them, I tinted them, and this is the result, and I'm actually happy. Like, they look better than they did. They're trimmed, they're well groomed, and I'm going to be getting them done next month anyway because my tint doesn't last a long time on me. It lasts about a week. So yeah, this is what they're going to do. I'm going to try and keep tinting them until I get my brows done next month, which will be great. It'll be a great improvement. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm sorry you had to put up with my eyebrows. You know, it's hard.